In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold this line and drag it down to see all of your shortcuts with all of labels of them. Now just look for location 1 and click on it. As you can see, mine turned white, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's gray. Quick tip: if you wanna, you can also go into settings, scroll to tap on location section available here, and operate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!